Hello my dear friends, welcome back to Tummy food recipes. Today I am preparing dry baby shrimp kismoor. A very tiny shrimp kismoor perfect to serve as a additional side dish. Try out this amazing Sungtachi Kismoor Goan recipe and share your feedback. This recipe is one of my Goan favorite recipes. I am dedicating to this wonderful recipe to all my Goan friends. Let's start. Heat a pan and dry roast 1 cup baby shrimps on low flame for about 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon coconut oil and fry for another 2 minutes on medium heat. Once it's ready, remove and keep it aside. Now, in the same pan, heat 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Add 2 finely chopped green chili and saute it. After a minute, add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onion. Fry onions until slightly turned brown. Now add 1 small size finely chopped tomato and add 2 pieces of kokum and saute it. After about a minute, add half cup of grated coconut. Now add 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons soaked tamarind water. Now add salt to taste and cook for 2 more minutes on medium heat. Now add roasted baby shrimps and mix well. Now dry baby shrimp kismoor is ready. Finally garnish with a chopped fresh coriander. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for new videos notification. Friends, if you like my videos, like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.